Okay, the fan's going on.
Yeah, should we wait until it's over?
I don't know, what do you think?
It should just be a second.
Okay. BOOZHOO, nana BOOZHOO, niemand wendel momanungum. When the fan stops running. This house is like a laundromat.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, everybody! Okay, there it goes.
All right.
Take 2. Hookah hey! BOOZHOO nish anishinabe dug. And welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is Nana BOOZHOO, and on guitar, Michael Lyons. So, please welcome Michael Lyons and Nana BOOZHOO singing a song. Take it away, boys!
I took this walk to ease my mind, to find out what's gnawing at me. You wouldn't think to look at me, but I've spent a lot of time in education. It all seems so long ago. I'm a thinker, not a talker. I've no one to talk to anyway. I can't see the rain for the tears in my eyes. I live above the grocer's store, owned by an Austrian. He often calls me down to eat, and he jokes about his broken English, tries to be a friend to me. But for all my years of reading conversation, I stand without a word to say. I can't see the bridge for the rain in my eyes. And the world is full of life, full of folk who don't know me, and they walk in 2s or 3s or more, while the lamp that shines above the grocer's store investigates my face so rudely, and my essays lying scattered on the floor fulfill their needs just by being there. And my hands shake, my head hurts, my voice sticks inside my throat. I'm invisible and dumb, and no one will recall me. And I can't see the water for the tears in my eyes.
Oh, wow, you guys, that was really good. What's that song called?
That's Conversation Piece by David Bowie.
Conversation Piece. Wow, that's like a deep track, huh?
Yeah, it's not a very well-known song.
Conversation Piece by David Bowie. Oh, wow, and your singing was great, sweetie.
Oh, thank you.
Well, there you have it. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, this is Nana BOOZHOO, and that's Michael Lyons. And I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Minawa, Hawa!